Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use rosemary and blue magic for unstoppable hair growth. So if this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia and I make DIY hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell beside it so you get notification when I upload new videos. So guys, first we're going to start by preparing our rosemary and blue magic hair treatment. And here I have 80 grams of sunflower oil, and I'm going to be using this oil to make mine. So I just added it to my blender. And next I have 30 grams of dried rosemary leaf here. You can use fresh one if you have that one available. Rosemary has some amazing nutrients and vitamin that is beneficial for hair growth, and it has many benefits like the ability to make your hair shinier. It also increases hair growth by stimulating blood circulation, and it also helps to fight against dandruff and so many other things. And next I'm going to go ahead and blend my rosemary with my blender till it's smooth, or at least a bit smooth. If it was fresh rosemary, it would be much smoother, but since it's dried one, it's going to be a bit smooth but not that smooth. So once I'm done blending it, so next I'm going to go ahead now and turn it in my bowl. I'm using this bowl because it is heat resistant, and the next step will make you understand why I'm using this heat resistance bowl. So I'm going to be using the double heat method, and I just place my pan on the fire and put water on it, and then I put the plates containing the rosemary inside. So I'm going to be stirring it, and I'll be leaving it inside this hot water while it's boiling for up to 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes, that's long. That's is to enable the rosemary infuse into the oil without destroying the essential nutrients in it. So I'll be stirring it once in a while I leave it on the water for it to heat up for some minutes. That's about 45 minutes that I said before. So after it has heated up for 45 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take it down, and then I'll strain it immediately while it's hot. I'm going to strain it, and when doing this you want to be careful because the oil is still hot, so you don't want to get burned. So I'm just going to strain it carefully to strain out the oil from the rosemary shaft. So once I have my rosemary infused oil ready, I'm going to go in with my Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner. This Blue Magic has so many other what do you call it? They have different type of Blue Magic in the market, but I do get this particular type because it is good for my hair. You can get any other type, they are all good. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the Blue Magic into my rosemary oil, and I'm going to stir it and mix it very well. Because my oil is still warm, it is easy for me to mix. That is why I had to do it while the oil was still a bit hot. So I'm going to be mixing it very well with the rosemary infused oil. If you're that type that doesn't have much time to prep your hair, or you don't have much time to dedicate to your hair, this is one of the products you should have at hand because it is very good. I remember when I was pregnant and I didn't have much strength to do my natural hair, this hair and scalp conditioner made by Blue Magic was very handy to me, and it really helped my natural hair. It kept it moisturized for long. Sometimes I do it and I leave my natural hair for like 2 weeks and it stays moisturized for the entire 2 weeks. So this is one of the products you should have at hand because it is very handy. So once I've mixed my rosemary and blue magic treatment, I'm going to be transferring it into my storage container, and from here I'll be using it on my hair. So to apply this on my hair, this is my wash day. I'm going to be using it today on my hair. And sorry, my shade is a bit messy because of the natural ingredients I used on my hair. So first, I went ahead to apply leave-in conditioner to my hair. As you can see, I'm working in section. So I applied leave-in conditioner and then I'll go ahead and apply my hair treatment made of blue magic and rosemary infused oil. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair to seal in moisture and keep my hair moisturized, and then I'll go ahead and style my hair. So sit tight and enjoy some music while I apply this on my hair. So this is my hair. After applying it on my hair, as you can see, it's looking shiny and well moisturized, and I can decide to leave it like this for a week and it stays moisturized. So you're using this at least 2 or 3 times a week will help your hair grow without doubt. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.